let's talk about Lindsay Lohan, because when it comes to celebrity tax drama, she delivers. Back in 2012, the IRS came after Lindsay for over $230,000 in unpaid taxes from 2009 and 2010 tax year. And when Lindsay didn't pay or couldn't pay, whatever, what the IRS said was like, okay, fine, we're just gonna take it. And what they did was they issued a levy against her bank accounts. Can you imagine waking up and not being able to touch your money? And here's where it gets even more dramatic. Charlie Sheen, her co-star from Scream 5, actually gave her $100,000 to help cover the debt. Like Charlie swooped in like some kind of tax angel / enabler, but even that wasn't enough. Fast forward a few years. By 2017, the IRS was still chasing Lindsay. They filed another lien against her, this time for taxes she owed for 2010, 2014, and 2015. This new bill, over $100,000. At this point, Lindsay was living abroad, so I guess she thought out of sight, out of mind. Spoiler alert, that's not how the IRS works. Taxes don't care if you're famous or living in another country. If you earn income in the US, Uncle Sam wants his cut. And if you don't pay up, the IRS has all kinds of tools to get what they're owed, like freezing your bank accounts or filing liens that follow you everywhere you go. Could Lindsay have handled this situation better? Absolutely. She could have set up a payment plan or worked with a tax expert to avoid the whole fiasco. But hey, hindsight is always 20/20. So what can we learn from this situation? First, ignoring the IRS doesn't make them go away. And second, if you're behind on taxes, don't wait for things to spiral out of control. Call someone, like me, before it gets to the point where your bank accounts are frozen. Lindsay's story might make for some juicy gossip, but it's also a reminder that taxes wait for no one, not even a Hollywood star. Got questions? Let's talk. And hey, let's keep the IRS as far away from you as possible.